Burma is one of my favorite places in the world, which is why I've been going there for probably more than 3 decades. Burma evokes both curiosity and inspiration. I know the country very well and have many favorite places which I would love to share with you. I would like to invite you to join me there during my workshop in February of 2021. We will be working together and I'll be sharing with you my suggestions for light and composition, locations, my approach to portraits, approaching people, and landscapes. We'll explore some hidden places in Mandalay, as well as some well-known places I've been documenting for years, like the World Heritage Sites at Bagan. We will take part in Buddhist ceremonies, see historical sites, and fully immerse ourselves in the Burmese culture. People in Burma are extremely friendly, very willing to be photographed, and very proud of their culture and their heritage. It's a wonderful, safe place to create unforgettable images. Hope to see you there.